Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic: know any self-care myths. Let us know what self-care is and is not. Self-care is surrounded with the ambiguities. You should feel like an obligation. Feel free to switch up your self-care methods. Number 1. Myth. It's all or nothing. Fact. It's about realizing life's small pleasure. Two. Myth. Self-care is a luxury. Fact. It can be as simple as meditating. Three. Myth. It's about being selfish. Fact. Prioritizing yourself is self-love. Four. Myth. Booje and Binge watching shows. Fact. Self-care should be focused on healthy activities. Fifth. Myth. It takes up a lot of time. Fact. You only need at least 10 minutes a day. Sixth. Myth. You need to spend money to practice self-care. Fact. You need to pay more attention. Seventh. Myth. Self-care is only for people with a poor mental health. Fact. Self-care is for everyone. Eighth. Myth. Self-care is just about things that makes you feel good. Fact. Self-care is doing things that feels awful in the moment but are good for you in the long run. Ninth. Myth. Self-care is only about taking care of your mental health. Fact. Self-care is carrying out for your mental and emotional, physical, social, spiritual, practical, and intellectual needs. 10th. Myth. Practicing self-care means making a choice between yourself and others. Fact. When we are not taking care of ourselves, we end up in the cycle of deprivation in which the activities of our day deplete our energetic and emotional reserves. 11th. Myth. You have to achieve your goals and earn it. Fact. Denying yourself of self-care leads to burnout. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share